Palestinian detainee dies in Israeli prison. Russian FM meets Hamas representative in Moscow. OIC's extraordinary meeting to be held in Jeddah. Riyadh to sponsor Hajj for New Zealand terror victims' families. Yemen's Houthis say targeted Saudi airport. Six Nations call for immediate halt to Libya violence. Sudan military rulers and opposition signed transition deal. Malaysian lawmakers okays bringing down voting age to 18. US slaps travel sanctions on Myanmar military officials. ICC delegation in Bangladesh to discuss Rohingya crisis. Afghanistan unable to assure fair polls, watchdogs. 45 killed in prolonged rain and flooding in eastern India.